2026 is coming and it's not waiting for anyone. If you walk into the new year with the same goals, the same habits, the same mindset, your results will not change. Today, I'm going to show you why your 2026 goals need to change now, before it's too late. The hard truth. Most people do not fail because they don't set goals. They fail because their goals are not built for real life. They're emotional goals, not strategic goals. They sound good, but they have no structure. They have no system. They have no direction. You write them down every year, but they don't create real transformation. I'm going to be telling you why your goals failed. Here are the 3 reasons your goals haven't worked for you. Reason number 1. You set too many goals. When everything is important, nothing is. Reason number 2. Your goals are vague. Like make money, grow my business, improve my life. These are not goals. They are wishes. Reason number 3. You have no system, and a goal without a system is like a car without fuel. It cannot move. I'm going to be telling you the 2026 mindset shifts you should have. To succeed in 2026, your goals must change. They must be simple, measurable, system-driven, connected to your future identity, aligned with the economic reality. Your 2026 goals must not be about who you were. They must be about who you're becoming. I'm going to be telling you the 3 goals you actually need. You don't need 20 goals in 2020. You need just 3. And goal number 1 is your income goal, not just how much you want to earn, but how you will generate it. Your goal number 2 is your skill goal. Your income can never grow if your skills do not grow. And goal number 3, your identity goal. Who must you become to achieve what you're asking for? Because income follows identity, and success follows self-development. In the Million Dollar Relaunch Method, we don't chase motivation, we build systems. Because systems create success. Systems produce consistency. Systems make transformation predictable. When your life has structure, your income follows, your confidence follows, your success becomes inevitable if you're ready to rebuild, relaunch, and rise in 2026. Kindly subscribe to our channel. This year, your transformation begins with clarity, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. I'm Alpela, and this is Alpela Academy. Bye for now.